Woodpecker Forest by Tejima. In the middle of a faraway forest, it is almost spring. The warm wind carries the sound of pecking through the trees. Up in a tall tree, a mother and father woodpecker take turns making a hole for their nest. This is where they will raise their family. When the forest turns a deep green, 3 baby woodpeckers are born in the tall tree. The mother and father woodpecker are busy looking for food all day long. They find ants and other insects in old stumps. The forest echoes with the sounds of their pecking and the voices of the young birds. Soon the chirping of cicadas begins. The baby woodpeckers grow bigger every day. The time comes for the young woodpeckers to try their wings. With his parents calling, the bravest of the 3 flies out of the nest. The young bird clings to a big tree and waits for his father to feed him. All day he clings to the tree. When the moon rises and the owls begin to hoot, the bravest young woodpecker is afraid. A hollow tree full of woodpecker holes seems to stare at him. A strange sound fills the forest. It is as if all the woodpecker trees in the forest are laughing. The shadows of the trees sway in the moonlight. The young woodpecker calls out for his parents. Then he hears the sound of wild pecking close by. He thinks he sees his father, huge against the sky. All the trees are silent. At daybreak, his father appears out of the mist. The young bird's wings grow stronger. He learns from his parents how to hunt for food and not to be frightened of hollow trees. When snow falls on the mountains, it is time for the young woodpecker to live on his own. In the middle of a cold winter night, he awakens and sees the forest glittering under the full moon. A dead tree covered with snow seems to stare at him, but he isn't afraid. He remembers the first night away from the nest, and remembers the way his father filled the whole night sky. Over the woodpecker's forest, the stars are shining. From far away comes the hoot of an owl.